Well, this was a pretty sophisticated scam that the family says went as far as staging an online bond hearing with a fake judge and a Homeland Security representative. The alleged immigration attorney was using a real lawyer's name and license number, but there were also red flags. And that is why this family is speaking out to share their experience so that the same thing won't happen to others. Sitting in the Romeoville home they share with their parents and siblings, Delia Davila and her sister Sylvia have spent countless hours trying to get their father Roberto freed from ICE custody. He was arrested October the 19th when he was pulled over on the side of the road on his way back from buying groceries in Bolingbrook.
There was no warrant. There is nothing against my dad.
Originally from Peru, the Davilas are asylum seekers and in the country legally. It was with that certainty they reached out to whom they believed to be an attorney, advertising their services on Facebook.
This person told us that we can do a request to a federal judge, a bond hearing, and if it's approved, we will have to pay a bond release.
Communicating with who they thought was the attorney's assistant via WhatsApp, dozens of messages were exchanged over a period of days. The family was even given a filled-out DHS form establishing their legal representation.
She made us first pay $850 through Zelle. She asked for my dad's driver license, passport, social security, bank statements.
A few days later, they received what appears to be a notice from the Justice Department with an online court date scheduled for October the 31st.
She saw a person saying that was the federal judge on the other side, somebody saying that was a DHS representative, and the lawyer that we hired.
20 minutes into the fake hearing, they received the news they were hoping for.
My dad was granted the bond release, and that we had to pay $6,800, and we had to do it in 24 hours, and that we had to do it through the lawyer.
But it wasn't long before the family realized they'd been scammed. By then, it was too late. The American Bar Association confirming this document purporting to be an attorney contract and this receipt, both on ABA letterhead, are fakes. They have also issued an alert warning others to be aware of direct solicitation through social media or WhatsApp and requests to pay fees through mobile payment platforms. Additionally, they advise that the ABA generally does not charge for legal services. For the Davilas, it was a lesson learned the hard way as they still work to get their father released.
My prayers are with all the immigrant community, and we know that at the end we will see the light.
The Davilas did file a police report, and while they are trying to reverse that bank transfer, there is no guarantee that they will be successful. They're currently fundraising so they can hire a real attorney that can help them get their father released before he can be deported back to Peru.